Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for chicken Caesar pita. I'll use some homemade healthy version of Caesar dressing and I'll serve some sweet potato fries along with that. It's a perfect weeknight dinner, healthy, quick and delicious. So let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe. Bismillah. First we'll make our Caesar dressing. Today I'm using Greek yogurt and the reason is that it's thick. If you use regular yogurt, our dressing will be a little runny. Then adding freshly minced garlic with some lemon juice. Now if your yogurt is already sour, so you can either completely omit the lemon juice or just add very little. Now adding Dijon mustard and seasoning it with some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Mix everything well and then we'll use this mixture to marinate our meat as well. Today I'm using boneless chicken and I cut the boneless chicken pieces into a thin strip. So I'll just take this pre-made mixture, take some out from there and add in chicken. And then first we'll complete that mixture and I'm adding some shredded Parmesan cheese in there, and then mix Parmesan cheese well, cover, and our Caesar dressing is ready. We can just keep it in the fridge until it's ready to use. Now for the chicken, just mix this mixture very well and cover and let it marinate for 1 to 2 hours, and overnight is perfect. Now for this pitas, I will be using some shredded lettuce, and I cut the tomatoes into small cubes as well. You can use whatever you like to add. I am heating up some grill pan and adding olive oil and putting each piece of the chicken in this heated pan, and this cook until chicken gets very nice charred color on both sides. You can do this on a fry pan as well or on outside grill, or however you like to cook your chicken. Now for this recipe I'm using two different kind of pitas. You can use whole wheat or regular pitas as well. Just take the pita, put it on some platter, cover it with some damp paper towel, and then cover it with some plastic wrap and microwave it for 1 to 1.5 minutes or until they are warm through. Just be careful when you take it out. It has steam built in there, so just don't burn yourself. Cut the pitas in half, open up the pocket, and add some dressing which you put in the fridge. And now however you want to assemble your sandwich and whatever you want to add, you can add feta cheese or any kind of cheese in there. I just added all those mentioned things. Now we're gonna make our sweet potato fries. I'm cutting sweet potatoes into shape like French fries, and just make sure they all are equal, and then transferring onto a baking sheet which is lined with foil, adding cornstarch and salt. Mix well with hand and then drizzle some olive oil and start mixing again. Make sure the each fries is covered with the olive oil. If you see these kind of white cornstarch stuff, just rub it with your hand. And now we'll take it to the oven which is already preheated on 425 degrees, and we'll bake it for 20 to 30 minutes or until sweet potatoes are tender and get this nice charred color. Now you can sprinkle some more salt, black pepper, crushed red pepper, oregano, or whatever you like to have it, and your sweet potato fries are ready to serve with your chicken Caesar pita. Just make sure you're cooking the fries alongside with the pitas, because if pita stays like this for a little longer, they get a little soggy. I'm serving the remaining Caesar dressing on the side as well. If you want, you can drizzle it on top or however you like to enjoy. If you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.